Everyone wants to lose weight, get lean, or build muscle, depending on their body type. And everybody thinks they need to spend thousands of dollars on expensive personal training sessions, nutritionists, gym memberships, really expensive prepackaged foods, and crazy pricey supplements. Guess what? They're all wrong. A lot of people think it takes years to get the dream body they want, which overwhelms them from even starting in the first place. What if I told you in just 30 days, you'll be well on your way to see your body transform without having to drop hundreds of thousands of dollars on all of this, or wasting what feels like years of your life watching misorganized social media videos without any help to keep you accountable? What? Without social media guidance? How do I even know what to do? Well, hi, your mom and them. I got you covered. What if you had someone to tell you what to do step by step, hour by hour, on exactly every step that you need to do, whether it has to do with what you need to eat, how to work out, how to use a tracking device like one of these, including the science behind it. All this tailored towards your body type. So, in what dreamland does this type of program exist? It does, in reality now, with 30-Day Vegan Dream Body Starter here at AbronsandAprons.com. Remember, to get the transformation you want, it isn't just fitness. It has to do with your diet, your lifestyle, and your mental well-being. Other courses or personal trainers simply can't handhold you to explain all this to you. Once you finish your program, you just go back to doing the same old silly stuff you were doing before. No. I've already helped a lot of people reach their dream body goals, whether that means lose weight, or build muscle, or get lean, or get the six-pack, or maintain what they already accomplished. Who am I? Excuse me? I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Jeff Major, and I've been a personal trainer in the fitness industry for over 10 years. NASM certified nutritional coach, minor league basketball player. I've been interested in health and wellness for over 20 years, and I've been working out since I was knee-high to a grass knee. I didn't always look like this. I was extremely skinny for periods in my teen years, and I did have a period where I was very overweight, by 80 pounds. So, I've seen and been at both ends of the spectrum and understand those struggles. Unlike some online fitness programs that charge an arm and a leg, they don't cover anything about nutrition, and 30-Day Vegan Dream Body Starter costs less than a fraction of what your next grocery bill would be, which will teach you how to save money on as well. It comes fully loaded with all these programs. You get access to an amazing private community with weekly Q&A calls with yours truly, and so much more. And you get a lifetime access to all of these. So let's dive into these programs, and then I'll get into how you'll be learning all of this day by day. First, we have effortless meal preps. We know you're busy and don't want you stuck in the kitchen all day. So you will be taught how to prepare tasty, nutritious meals in as little as 10 to 15 minutes, or 2 meal prep sessions per week. Full step-by-step video recipes and demonstration. Great, even for those learning how to cook. Meals, recipes, and calories differentiated by your body type. Whether you're a male or female, no matter what your gender is, whether you're an endomorph trying to lose fat, shed pounds, and get a leaner body and face, to an ectomorph wanting to put on more muscle in all the right spots, or whether you're a mesomorph trying to do either or, maintain a healthy lifestyle, or change your diet. What if you can't afford healthy foods? No worries. We teach you where you can buy and how to buy on a low budget, as well as how you can save money. We teach you what to look for in the grocery store, or you can sit at home and shop online, all at the comfort of your own bedroom. We also teach you how to save money doing either approach in our Smart Shoppers Groceries Guide, offered only during our pre-sale as a bonus, which will end in the next 90 days. That should save you more money than the value of this course on your first grocery purchase. We even include a comprehensive eat out guide for food lovers as a bonus for those of you that don't want to stop eating out and want to eat out guilt-free. Next, we have our FlexFit 360, workouts tailored to your body type. Your ultimate guide to personalized workouts designed to do either at home, office, or at the gym. I understand that some of you don't want to spend time getting ready to put on that flashy gym clothing, driving your car, racking up those gas miles, waiting about 3 hours for the squat rack, only driving back home, spending more gas. I know you don't want to be doing that. With 30-Day Dream Body Starter, Work out at home in your very cool PJs while you're watching your favorite TV shows like Power, Sunday Night Football, Stranger Things, or Real Housewives of Atlanta. And especially if you're not in the shape of your life, you're going to compare yourself to others. Some people praise their favorite athlete like MJ, Kobe Bryant, Tom Brady, or Tiger Woods, all while eating potato chips and drinking beer on the couch. And that's okay. But what about your life, your health? Become your own hero instead of just watching. Just like them, you have to get in the game if you want to win. But for those of you that want workouts at the gym, we got those for you too. Whether at the gym or at home or the office, I'll teach you step by step what to do, from improving your form to which workouts for your body type. No matter what your fitness level is, you always want to be advancing and progressively getting better and better. Either more reps with less weight or more weight with less reps. For those of you on a low budget, I'll teach you what to do at home without buying any expensive equipment. Heck, I'll even show you how to make dumbbells using cheap milk gallon jugs and water. For those of you that want some home equipment, I'll teach you what to buy, from the simple basic to advanced equipment, along with student-only discount. Next, we have included Mindset Mastery as a pre-sale bonus, which will end in the next 90 days, where every day we have practical exercises to build the proper habits to change your life and enhance your mindset, which includes the tools to help you manage and schedule your time, help you develop the power of positive thinking, and most important, to build yourself a habit so you can sustain what you learn here for the rest of your life, long even after you finish the course. They say it takes 21 days to create or change habits. Well, I'm going to teach you at least 30. Did I mention I want this to help you even after you finish the course? Only during our pre-sale, which will end in the next 90 days, introducing life habit building maintenance system and trackers to help you keep accountable, seeing you actually progress from calories to even stress levels, as well as a maintenance system that helps you forge life-changing habits effortlessly with very small changes in your life. We will also hold you accountable by using fitness tracker sheets, helping you track things like sleep, frequency of workouts, your food intake, water intake, calories burned, and even also your stress level. We also recommend getting a Fitbit or a Apple Watch to help maintain tracking all this. For those of you out there that don't think you can afford fitness watches, think again, there are watches out there as low as $20. Now you must be wondering, what's in this 30 days, since after all, this is a 30-day transformation program that you get to use month after month. Remember, the purpose of this program is you're here to do and follow what I say for 30 days. I'll be holding your hand each step of the way. Each section is mapped out with recommended timestamps throughout the day. These are the time gaps in between the previous and the next task, such as when to eat, when to work out, etc. Now, that doesn't mean you have to exactly match the hour. I understand some of you work from home and you're very cool PJs. Some of you work in the office, some of you work graveyard shift, or not the normal 9-to-5 job. I get it. Use these hours or timestamps as a mere guideline. You're still going to see results, even if you don't strictly adhere to these exact hours, but you can definitely use it as a reference point. As you see results, and as you see your body start to improve and transform, one thing you're going to start to see in life is more haters. A lot of people will get jealous of you, and that's a good thing. You might see people give you underhanded comments, such as, "Oh, don't change," or they might encourage you to cheat and eat a gallon-sized bag of nacho cheese potato chips with them. In this course, I will teach you exactly what to do in these situations, the psychology of how to deal with haters, or how to deal with some of the jealous people in your life who may try to keep you down or bring you back to where you were before. This can put a major damper on your mental beliefs and on your journey. I will teach you the key techniques to use and overcome these situations that I've taught my clients and students over and over again. Fitness is not just physical, it's mental too. We need both pieces of the puzzle to win this game. And in this course, we are a team that will conquer this together. And just like most courses, we're going to give you some quizzes along the way, so you don't have to forget to do all these for life. This is important for you to understand of what you're about to get into. Then I get into the preparation phase, where we teach you exactly what to buy for meal prep, set up a grocery shopping list for you for your body type. I'll walk you through everything. Then it all begins with day 0, where you practically grocery shop for the next 2 weeks, whether in person or online. And you'll be saving more than the cost of this course on your first grocery bill, and prepare your meals alongside with me. Then we will weigh ourselves, take a helpful quiz so you can keep track of where you start and issue yourself a challenge in the free, which helps keep you accountable to any accountability buddies you may have developed there. Meals can range from prepping tasty meals such as Sproutacular salad with avocado and egg. There's plenty of meals to help satiate your taste buds, with the full list of ingredients and step-by-step details on how to prep it. Day 1, boom! I'll walk you through what to do the moment you wake up, the meals you eat, the workouts you do for that day, all depending on your body type and goal. We have a gym section for those who want to work out at the gym, or a section for those who want to work out at home or at the office. Day 2, rest day. Congrats! You have finished your first day of exercise, so you need a break. I typically give you a rest day after a workout day in my program, so you have plenty of time to rejuvenate. Wake up to a simple morning routine I concocted for you. At night, enjoy the recommended reading material I give you. Day 3, back to another workout day with some awesome yummy food. Day 4 and 5, the cycle repeats with different meals and different workouts. Don't forget to join the weekly live Q&A sessions with me so you can introduce yourself and share your thoughts. Once you get to day 6, you can reward yourself with a cheat meal. That's a cheat meal, meaning one cheat meal. Enjoy some line dancing with me, or go do a fun personal activity celebrating your first week in the program. Day 7, meal prep day. Take a quiz or put on some headphones, dance away while I teach you exactly what to do every step of the way to meal prep for the next day. Day 8, let's get back to it. Day 9, rest day. Day 10 through 12. It's the same last 3-day cycle repeated with different workouts and different meals. You should start to see your body change at this point and start to feel different. Day 13, rest day. Back to walking you through grocery shopping. Day 14, meal prep day. Make sure you fill out the Noticing the Changes in Your Body quiz and check out the interactive challenge. Day 15, let's get back to it. Day 16, rest day. Day 17, workout day. Day 18, rest day and meal prep. Day 19, workout. Day 20, cheat meal. Again. You remember what I said last time, right? Day 21, rest day with meal prep and different meals. Day 22 to 24, the cycle repeats with different workouts, different meals. Day 25, meal prep. Day 26, workout day. Day 27, grocery shopping, rest day, and a cheat meal. Day 28, meal prep. Again, days 29 and 30. Continue the process and enjoy what you've accomplished so far. Now you must be wondering why we must be doing this. There must be a catch or hidden fees because it just sounds too good to be true. The reality here is that health and wellness truly changed my life. And I believe in making the most fun, effective, and affordable course on the planet Earth, no matter what country you're from, for helping people achieve their goals. Now you already know we're affordable. I mean, you can mow your neighbor's lawn and have enough money to join. How do we make our programs more fun and effective than anything on the planet? Well, unlike YouTube, social media, or most online courses that give you access to a disorganized database of boring whiteboard content that takes months to fully get through, with us, you get access to the world's most streamlined, engaging training ever created. We're already cut what's not important, so you don't have to. Our videos are filled with easy to understand visual breakdown and video tutorials that will give you the best shot at getting the kind of transformation you want. But don't just take my word for it. Ask a few of my students.
I like that you give us modified exercises. You give us a fasting plan that's attainable. You're also accessible if we got questions. A lot of those programs, it's good for temporary stuff because I tried them all. And this is the only program with me who I didn't think at all would ever lose weight without Dr. Somebody. And I was able to obtain that because you've done it.
I start at 245. My last weigh-in, I was actually at 211 pounds.
Wow.
Yes, it's very great for me because I would have never seen myself at 211 pounds. Wow. Never. Thanks to you.
Coming here today, I really didn't know what to expect. I know it's been some time since my last workout. As far as a full training session goes, upper body, lower body, core, you name it. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling it. It's the good stuff. It's the good kind of pain and excitement. I got a lot of blood flowing to the brain. I feel amazing. Jeff, thank you for kind of hearing me out where I was at and what I was looking for. I feel like you're really tailored to my needs. Definitely whatever you guys get going with this Abs and Aprons, I definitely want to be a part of it. Procrastinating, having plans to work out, but not following through with those is one of my biggest reasons for not making it work for me personally. So Jeff has been doing this for 10 plus years and he knows what he's doing. So he showed me exercises that I had never done before, and I felt extremely comfortable with him personally. Can't imagine he showed me any kind of special treatment that he wouldn't show to somebody else. Understanding too, he knows that everyone has got challenges, strengths and weaknesses, and I know that's all part of in his journey. He's aware of that, so he's able to overcome those challenges or barriers. Well, I'd say doing the burpees really towards the end of the workout, which maybe that was intentional too, to test the spirit and get the maximum push. But yeah, I know I was really feeling a burn by then. I had already kind of told him that he knows, that's what we need. The body's capable of way more than the mind thinks it is. So he pushed it to the limit. And so Abs and Aprons. It happened. Thank you. Till next time.
The real game changer is when my students are blown away by how deeply they learn this stuff by doing the practice exercises to get that transformational goal faster than ever before. Now, on top of all this value, you also get access to huge bonuses like special discounts off. There are many ways you can save on groceries, workout equipment, and time in general. In our program, we will walk you through them. And we'll help guide you to the best options to maximize your goals. Yes, one of those discounts or price reductions can save you more money than what I charge for the entire program. You get PDF guides, worksheets, cheat sheets, and the list goes on and on. 30-Day Dream Body Starter was created to be your one-stop shop for all things to transform yourself and your life, no matter where you are in the world, no matter what your gender, age is, or what specific goals that you may have. Accomplishing your dream body is like getting your dream car. Your body is like a vehicle. What you put in it and how you take care of it will determine how it runs. Fuel in a car is like the digestive system is to the body. If you have a luxury car and you put the cheaper regular gas in it as opposed to premium gas in it, how long do you think it's going to run smoothly? Similar to drinking alcohol on a normal basis as opposed to water. You can catch a fish for someone, but it's better to teach them how to catch a fish so that they know how to fish for a lifetime. We all know that an increase in health leads to wealth and happiness, and we guarantee the start of your transformation too. If you reach this far into the video, you know this program is for you. If you decide not to enroll, then you're running the risk of not feeling that void you've been feeling deep down inside and not maximizing your full potential. If you say yes and decide to enroll, there's zero risk anyways because of the money back guarantee. You have nothing to lose and you have everything to gain. But if you heard enough already and you're fired up to join on this party before this amazing deal goes away, it only takes seconds to click that button and sign up right now.